Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's bag tour is of the Vintage Coach Cosmetic Case Large, style number 7172, in the color Camel with nickel hardware. And it was made in the US sometime, I would estimate, in the 90s to maybe early 2000s. So like the name suggests, it's a large cosmetic case. And here's the nickel hardware, so you can see it a little bit better. Like I mentioned, it's got nickel hardware, so it's this silver color hardware. Usually you see a lot of brass on the Vintage Coach pieces, but some of them did come with nickel hardware. So here's the front of the bag, as you can see. Here's what the sides look like. Here's the bottom. It does have the Coach cartouche right here. It's a little bit faint, but it is there. And then the back looks identical basically to the front. And then it also comes with the matching two-sided hang tag, as you can see. And then I'll open it and show you the interior. So it does have the blue tick lining on the inside. And it does have one little slip pocket here along the back as well. And then it's also got a really small little creed stamped on the bottom, or on the back little pocket. And then a lot of the smaller leather goods didn't come with serial numbers, so that's why there's no serial number on the bottom of the creed. If it was a regular larger bag, it would have a serial number, but a lot of the small leather goods didn't have them. So anyway, there's the creed, so you can see that it's authentic. So that's the Cosmetic Case Large, style number 7172, and this bag is available now in our online store. So if you wanted to check it out, the link will be below in the description box. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.